Okay, friends. I am going to today discuss about Java HTML language. Okay, so HTML language most important concept of styles. So already I am said to you how to write a paragraph and heading tag using already I am told you. Okay, just I am now asking about already I am told the heading and paragraph tags how to style to attractive to this others front view users. Okay, so the most important building tricks for attractive to this customer in attractive to customer in observe to the styles format. So that is the best answer is attractive to the customers. You see, it will be do it right now right now you absolutely to attractive to this customers. So I was told what's kind of I am already right now uh, style is very important to actually. So that is the reason of I am told you to remember with you. Okay, so I am already so open this notepad plus plus. Okay, already I am saved to coding.htmls. Okay, uh, let's I am going to how to write a tag using which kind of tag actually using heading tags and paragraph tags, the most important paragraph and headings. Okay, this kind of heading paragraphs how to tag and how to apply to the front views front pages I told the one before videos. Okay, this kind of paragraph or heading tags attractive to how to attractive to the customers. Okay, so how to attract to the customers as what I am doing. So actually is using to the style format in htmls. Okay, this kind of this kind of style formats I am saying these videos three concepts. Okay, so how to change it to this background colors. Okay, one, otherwise to paragraphs colors changing. Okay, other one is font size changing. So totally three concepts I am saying about these videos. Okay, in style formats. Okay, let's I am going to write here body tags. So body tags include to before I am saying this concepts actually is using. Okay, let's I write here body tag. Okay, as usually after I am body tag is closed now. So okay, the first concept is change to the body background colors. Okay, so how to I am changed to the body background color in using body tag, include body tags. Okay, so I am using to style format. I am before I said style format using. Okay, style style style. You remember to you see again, right? Okay, after I am using equal. Okay, then I am using open bracket close tag. Okay, last semicolon using. Okay, after that I am taking to this values. Okay, um uh, what is I am saying before which purposes of I am using to the body style formats I am already said. So change it to this body background colors. Okay, background colors. Okay, background background colors. Background colors. Okay, sorry, LOR. Okay, color. which kind of color you are using, your choice. Okay, I am using gray color. Okay, that's all fine. Okay, if let I am save to view the browsers. So this is also actually successful or not. Okay, just I go to save these files. Okay, let I see the file managers and browser I am using to open this. Before I am writing the code view to front view. So okay, downloads, so coding. Okay, and browse, open. So okay, body background you changed now, you see. Okay, gray color. So I am using to another color, red color. So green, your choice. Okay, green colors. Let I save. As usual, I am refresh this front page. So nothing. I am as usual is to open this news tag newly. Okay, same coding, chromes. So green color automatically changed. Okay, that's all. So I am before I am told body background colors how to change it to body color in front page. Oh, completely so successful to change it. Okay, otherwise is paragraph heading tag. Okay, so heading tag is how to have heading tag headings, how to change it to the colors heading. Okay, so heading one. So welcome, I am give to some examples for given to heading. Okay, heading tag closed. So sorry, H1. Okay, so style format I am as usually used. Okay, this kind of this location. So are you put into this style format? Okay, style equal bracket colors. Okay, color, which kind of color you already you are using. So I am using blue color. Okay, blue color. Okay, so open tag, close tag you are using, mostly important to you. Okay, that's all. So otherwise style is already I use. Sorry, style for spelling mistake. Style, after that I am using paragraphs. Okay, paragraph closed. So descriptions I am giving to, I am putting to this descriptions. So I am using style format in otherwise attractive styles for font size. Semicolon. So font size. Okay, font size you given which kind of pixel. okay, 100 pixel. Okay, that's all. I am putting to this 3 variant of styles usings. Okay, if after that I am saved, I remember open this browsers to view. Okay, let you see. So already using this background colors green, you are right now. After that I am using headings based attractive to this colors using to blue colors. Okay, this is also done. Headings colors is successfully into view. Okay, after that I am using descriptions. So descriptions paragraph using descriptions. This kind of colors is what kind of colors? Black colors. So this kind of size already I am putting. Okay, the two variant of styles are actually using. Okay, after that I am font size is I am increased, so does not to view to this clearly. Okay, that's the reason of I am using to various of size. Okay, after that I am remember I am go to browsers, Google browser. Okay, description is already descriptions paragraph view to I am putting to the based on format size. Okay, so that's all. Okay friends, this kind of concept you understand, so I believed. So okay, this kind of these videos you like, share, and remember to subscribe our channels. Okay, tata bye bye. Next videos I meeting to you.